Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Kärcher EWM 2 washer dryer is equipped with 2 rotating microfiber rollers, ensuring the collection of dirt that is directly channeled into the dedicated dirty water container. This feature allows for the replacement of traditional cleaning methods, such as mop and bucket, ensuring efficient cleaning right up to the edges and the removal of splashes and stains with utmost ease. The rollers, moistened by a solution of water and detergent contained in a front tank, leave the floor almost immediately dry and clean, reducing the waiting time to just 2 minutes before you can walk on the treated surfaces again. Thus, the Kärcher EWM 2 washer dryer presents itself as an ideal solution for those looking for deep, fast, and effortless cleaning. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.